iPhone automatically turns off? If your iPhone is shutting down automatically, go for a hard reset first. However, you will have to replace the iPhone battery if the battery's health is below 80%. What causes an iPhone to turn off randomly? Your iPhone can turn off abruptly for many reasons. Although iPhone 6 and later prevent unexpected shutdowns through performance peaks, all Li-ion batteries degrade over time. Defective batteries. Like I mentioned earlier, batteries play a significant role in automatically shutting off iPhones, whether for old age, low charge, or decreased battery health. To check your battery life, go to Settings greater than battery health and see if you need to replace the battery. iPhone overheating. If your iPhone's temperature is too high, you are likely to experience unexpected shutdowns. You can take it as the iPhone's defense mechanism against overheating issues. Water damage. In addition to exposure to water, any type of physical damage is likely to cause the iPhone to shut off abruptly. Software bugs/malware. Software incompatibility, bugs, and faulty updates can lead to issues as well. Besides, the device will be unusable if malware or virus attacks your iPhone. Firmware update failure. But sometimes interruptions during firmware updates likely cause your iPhone to shut down. This can happen due to network issues, low battery, software bugs, and many more reasons. Follow these troubleshoots if your iPhone turns off automatically. There can be many reasons your iPhone turns off by itself. It could be a software or hardware issue. Do a hard reset. A hard reset can help with this problem. A hard reset actually closes all the apps that are running in the background and gives your iPhone a fresh start. Check your battery health. A degraded battery is one of the most common reasons iPhones turn off themselves. Battery health of over 80% is usually considered normal. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version.